regret it. Good night, Lone. See you later, my friend. Brick Lane, I am nothing if not full of amazing quips like that, and there's more where that came from. So, our second set, our first proper video set, with hot tub in the back. Party in the front. Well, actually, the party's in the back. I'm just gonna put the guitar back there as well. I'm gonna put the boombox here. It has no car stereo, so... Well, technically it does. I think these are the stereo speakers. We'll put him in the front, driving this thing. Which apparently you drive it by spinning the record there, which is something. Alright, see you later, Adrian. Good luck with your remote learning in the morning. Thank you for hanging out with us. I'll see you next time. Oh, the guitar's meant to go on there. That's cute. I guess it goes upside down. It's a set. I'm not really sure it's a set that I'm going to keep on display, but it is actually surprisingly nice. Now that it's finished, it doesn't look too bad. There's definitely a lot going on. I'm not entirely convinced by that robot head there. A song that goes like that? Which part? When I set up my alarms on my new phone, I didn't make my work alarms week only. Ah, I see. Yeah, a grave mistake, Duro. Grave mistake. But yeah. I think it's really cute that their headlights disappear. I don't know why they would use teal on the other side, or turquoise on the other side. That stands out a lot. Your mistake does mean you get to be here, so that's a good point, yeah. What are your thoughts on those robotic Lego, those with the motor and gear? Oh, you mean Technic? Not huge on Technic myself. Except for Bionicle. Otherwise, I'm a system kind of guy. Why not make it black? Yeah, exactly. Black would have made it look good. It would have looked way better with those pieces in black. It makes them stand out weirdly in turquoise. I don't know what that's about. Unless it was so that it would sort of look more like it's glowing with the teal behind, with the turquoise behind it. I guess that could be it. I think this spot at the front is meant to be a spot for the stage. Like this is... It's sort of like a parade float or something. You know, she's standing on the front. He's driving it by spinning a turntable. We have a giant robot head that says, "Do not be alarmed. We are peaceful." As they drive past. Hey, Fergie Feed, welcome in, dude. And they blast the neighborhood with their music. Oh, I suppose you could also put them up here too. Where's my guitar? Here we are. So yeah, like that's pretty cool. They spin and junk. Got the music's playing. I don't know how much of a toy it is, really, though. It's very cute, but I can see why kids aren't necessarily that excited by this. Now, the whole thing is an AR marker for the video app, but I'm not gonna stuff around trying to get that to work because we already had tried that and wasn't really cooperating. I think my favorite thing about it is the fact that there is a hot tub in the back. I think that's hilarious. It has that like kind of Lego whimsy, that Lego sense of whimsy to it. And it doesn't seem too bad for a $40 set. Fortunately, I got it for $20, which makes it a lot better. And it's actually quite excellent for a $20 set with two really good minifigures and a bunch of cool pieces, especially that printed TV at the back. That's something I really like. But it doesn't do anything particularly amazing. I want to like it more than I do. It's one of those sets I think that looked a lot cooler in the pictures as well. I remember when we first saw it, I thought it looked really, really cool, and I was like, I'm gonna get that one. Now I've got it, and it's kind of... I don't know, it's kind of forgettable. See you later, Brick Lane. Thank you for popping in. See you in the next one. Take care, stay square. I don't feel like it has a particularly a lot of displayability or playability. Needs more speakers and blind dudes dangling from a great height with a flamethrower guitar. That would make it awesome, I do admit that. Oh yeah, the Kadiyanagi twins. Oh god, Scott Pilgrim Lego has so much potential. That would be so good. I don't know, it just doesn't scream anything to me. It's kind of just a forgettable little set. I'm really glad I got it for only $20. That makes it very good value. Just shy of 400 pieces, I think it was. Is that right? 387 pieces. It's a bargain for $20 with two minifigures, two very nice minifigures. Maybe it's because I'm tired. Maybe I need more time to think about this one, but for now, I'm kind of just a little... It's not close to being great. It's lacking something that makes it really come to life. I think I'm going to like the pirate ship set a lot more. It looks good. It's just not amazing. There's definitely been much better sets. I would honestly rate it like a 6 out of 10. And that's at the $20 mark. At the $40 mark, maybe like a 4.5 out of 10. It's not even that it feels like $40 is a huge ripoff. It's just, maybe I'm being harsh. I don't know, guys. Am I being harsh? I think I'm just very tired. And it has failed to really, really impress me. It hasn't made a statement. It just... Maybe the problem for me is that it doesn't really fit in anywhere. I might display it with my Batman movie cars and see how that goes. Otherwise, it might just be on the chopping block. Makes me want an Escape from New York car with giant crystal chandeliers in the front. I haven't seen Escape from New York, but that makes me want to. We've definitely built cooler things than this. We're going to build something cooler than this now, actually. Let's move this out of the way. And even though I'm really quite tired, I do want to get this done. We're going to finish 2 gift sets today. So, yes, Pom? Oh, for not seeing Escape from New York? Fair. Fair. You know what else sounds interesting, Foji Feed? This set. The Thanos mech. I'm going to challenge myself to get this done in the next 45 minutes. So that we can get to the 8-hour mark and we can call it. Once again, it's a punch hole box. And I don't want to do that, so... Whoa. Oh man, all sorts of messing it up. There we go. Out you go. Is that proper? Hold on. Alright, we're good. So, Juro, I hope you're here. Let's crack this baby open. I did say before that the last bag hype was the final bag hype, but I'm betraying that notion now by opening yet another set. I do save the boxes, yes. They get flat packed and stored in the garage.